What advice would you give a person who's considering this field or maybe doesn't know the field and is looking for a new career?
Well, I'm gonna start off and say that, there are a lot of opportunities with skilled trades and crafts out there. Piggybacking on the sustainability effort initiatives that's out there. Everybody's saying, oh, you need solar panels, you need solar this, you need electricity to be converted from one form of energy to the other. How are you going to do it if you don't have the skilled craft to help you build these structures or maintain these structures? So that's my little leeway into saying it's an everlasting field. It's going to be something that you can't have AI and machines do for you. You're going to have that skill set of that technical knowledge and combined with your hands and making things happen and work. So that's somewhere to start, to say facilities management. Even though I really appreciate healthcare facilities management in itself is going to be a great field to enter. Regardless of what side of the building you walk into, because the pretty side where you have the user experience or the customer experience, I want to say, there's always the other side of that same facility to help keep it maintained, help upkeep the air quality, the electricity you're using, the lighting, even the perspective of keeping it clean. It's all a part facilities management, and that's an industry that's always in need of the next brighter star to come in and make your mark in this industry that allows you to make your mark in a good way. Right? Because you're always going to be needed in some form or fashion to support any kind of infrastructure. So I do give advice to even my own family members. Hey, healthcare facilities management is an industry that's everlasting, because as healthcare grows, you need the infrastructure to support it to grow as well. All these new technologies to scan, read different body vitals or whatever that comes about in technology in regards to medical equipment, you need a support team to support it, the infrastructure of it.